Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by positioning the Magsafe wallet on the iPhone back and letting the magnets find alignment. Once you feel the snap, press and hold for 2 to 3 seconds to ensure a firm connection. Make sure to remove very thick cases first, because they reduce magnetic strength and may prevent the wallet from seating properly. You'll notice the wallet centers itself. That's the magnets doing the work and aligning to the iPhone's charging ring. Once the wallet is attached, slide in your cards, typically up to 3, so they lie flat and evenly distributed. You'll feel a small resistance as the cards stack seats against the wallet's interior magnet plate. Make sure to keep contactless cards flat and not overlapping odd angles, because the magnet can shift them slightly and affect NFC reads. On compatible iPhones, the OS may briefly detect the accessory. This is normal and confirms the magnetic array is aligned. To remove the wallet, peel it back from one side with controlled pressure rather than yanking a corner. This protects both the wallet and your cards. If the wallet isn't detected or feels weak, restart the iPhone and reattach, making sure the case is thin or removed. Once done, inspect for dust or metallic debris between surfaces and ensure cards aren't warped. If problems persist, try a different Magsafe compatible case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.